Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing FENDI's Rockoko leather and knit combat boots. To kick us off, let's look at the boot themselves. They have a hard leather toe box and heel, and a knit that extends to around mid-ankle. Just taking a brief look at them on. They look very trendy, but what is the deal? So first, these Fendi boots come with, of course, the typical inserts. They have the cutest little boot cover, which I always love the little details with luxury items. They have an authenticity card and, of course, some care, instructions, and some extra shoelaces. So enough of that, let's put these bad boys on. I did try the 38.5, which is more of a street shoe or a non-luxury brand shoe size of 7.5 or an 8. I think in a boot I would typically wear an 8. So you can see that these are very easy to lace up. They honestly feel just like a sneaker, although when we try them on, they are not exactly comfortable. You can see they are very trendy, and if I never said anything, you would never know. So I'm not sure if everyone's just kind of suffering through it, but right at the toe crease, it just feels very spacious and empty, and there's not a lot of cushioning. So overall, very trendy boot. You should definitely try them on before picking them up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for the next one.